Welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to do the advanced filtering. I am in the home and I have the header for segment, country, product, unit sold, manufacturing, sale price, gross sale, discounts and sale. If I wanted to sum the sales value, which is in I column, I can come to the bottom. I can use sum, open the bracket and select the cells. I can select the cells like this to add all the cells in I column. Now I got the total for this I column. Let us say if I wanted to filter for one particular segment or a country, let us do a filter for the country itself. Let us take, I wanted to filter for Canada and I want to do the total. After filtering, I wanted to do the total. So what I will do is, I will use equals sum again and open the bracket. Select the cells for Canada. This is after filtering. So I have filtered country as Canada and I am doing the total for Canada location. If you see the total are same. So this is the total for all the countries. And if I do the total for Canada, I am getting the same result. So this type of adding the numbers will be a wrong method. Instead of that, what we can do is, there is one option. I will select this. I will select this. I will unfilter. Then I will highlight the header again. I will select the filter. I will select Canada. Select OK. And select the entire data for Canada. I am using Ctrl+C to copy. This copy also doesn't work. So instead of that, what you have to do is, you have to click on Home, find and select, go to Special. You need to select this option, Visible Cells only. So it will copy the cells which are filtered. So you have filtered the country as Canada. It will only copy those cells which are related to Canada. Ctrl+C and paste here. So now after pasting, I can select source format and I will double click on the column to have a clear visibility of the data. And I will format this header. I'll format this header similar to that of this particular sheet, advanced filtering sheet. So this I will rename as Canada. Now, if I wanted to do the total only for Canada, I can do it. Equals sum, open the bracket, then select. Now we get the correct total for Canada. So this way we will be able to do the filtering and we will be able to do the calculation on different criterias. There is another option which is called as advanced filtering option. So this is one of the option which I have shown how to filter and do the total for specific segment or country. If I wanted to use advanced filtering, let us say I don't want to use this regular filtering. I wanted to use advanced filtering. For advanced filtering, what I will do is, so this is the regular filtering which we will be using for regular filtering purpose. And there is another option which is called as advanced filtering. So this is the advanced filtering. Before using the advanced filtering, what I will do is, I will select the criteria. My criteria is country and Canada. So what I will do is, I will paste somewhere. So based on this criteria, I am filtering using the advanced filter option. So to use the advanced filter, what I will do is, I will select the advanced filter, select the range of cells. So this is the range of cell which we need to select, or I can simply select like this. So this is the range of cells which we have selected. For criteria, I need to select the criteria which we have copied. The criteria is country and Canada. This is my criteria. I wanted to do the filtering only for Canada from this particular data set. So there are multiple countries. I wanted to filter only for Canada. And where I wanted to copy, I can copy to any location. I can copy anywhere in the same sheet. I can select any location over here. So what I will do is, I will copy somewhere here and I will select OK. If you notice, it has only filtered the Canada. So what I will do is, I'll go to Home, Format. I'll do the format. So I'll do the format of the header. I will also make some room so that we have the clear visibility of the values. So I have the sales value for Canada. Now I wanted to do the sum. If my sum matches with the sum what we have done, then the advanced filtering whatever we have done, that is correct. So equals sum, open the bracket, select the range of cells and close the bracket. So this number 24887.654.89. 24887.654.89. So this is the correct value. Similarly, if I wanted to find for France, let us say if I wanted to find for France, then my criteria is, or let us say we have to find based on the product. Let us take any one of the product. So I'll copy this. I'll copy here product. You can take any product. It is not that you need to take the first product itself. I took Canada here. Now I'll take a different product which is in between the data set. So this is my criteria. Now what I will do is, I'll go to the data and I will choose the advanced filter option. I'll select the advanced filter option. I'll say copy to another location. Remove this. This also I'll remove. This also I'll remove. I will. My selection will be again from A to I. So I have selected A to I. I need to select the criteria now. So my criteria is in column AB. I will select the criteria, product, Paseo. Then where I want to copy, I will copy next to this column itself. I'll copy in AD. Let us say I want to copy in AD. Now select OK. If I select OK, I need to filter only for the Paseo product. So Excel is basically filtering only for the product Paseo, removing all the other products. So irrespective of the countries, it has filtered only for the Paseo product. You see here. So I'll again format. I will select, and if I double click, it will automatically adjust the width. Now the product what we have filtered is Paseo. So this way we can use the advanced filtering option in Excel to filter based on specific criteria. I hope it was a useful lecture. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.